Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating the environment. Check that your Fleet server hostname resolves and has a valid TLS certificate, because Fleet requires encrypted connections. Once done, open the Fleet server port, usually 8220 or 443, on any firewalls and load balancers so agents can reach it. Next, create and copy an enrollment token in Kibana. You will use that token to enroll the Fleet server itself. Make sure you have cluster credentials ready to register Fleet with Elasticsearch. Now install the Elastic agent on the host that will run Fleet server and start it in Fleet server mode. You will run the agent with the enrollment token and point it to Elasticsearch using Fleet serveries while specifying a Fleet server policy if you have one. During startup, the agent registers itself in Kibana. Watch the logs for successful registration messages. If you use a proxy or load balancer, route traffic so the Fleet server's external URL matches the certificate and DNS you prepared earlier. Finish by enrolling your endpoint agents against the new Fleet server using the policy you assigned. You will reuse enrollment tokens for new agents. Verify in Kibana that agents report as healthy, that the correct policy is applied, and that logs and metrics appear in Elasticsearch. If something goes wrong, check the Fleet server and agent logs first. Common issues include TLS handshake failures, expired or wrong tokens, and firewall rules blocking 8220 or 443.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.